Good morning, class. Please stand for our prayer. Jovan, kindly lead the prayer. Okay, before you sit down, kindly arrange your seats and also please pick up the pieces of paper under your chair. Okay, now please be settled down. I'll be checking your attendance. Okay, please be quiet, class. Okay. Wow, everyone is present today. That's good. Okay, hi. Hello, hello. Wow, I see a lot of smiling faces today. I think you are ready to learn another lesson. Am I right? Okay, but before that, who can give me a short recap of what we have discussed yesterday? Anyone? Okay, Miss Nanoy. Okay, very good. Our topic yesterday is all about, again, flexibility and adaptability and initiative and self-direction. And how about what is flexibility and adaptability and initiative and self-direction anyway? Yes, Miss Ibardo. Okay, that's good. So when we talk about flexibility and adaptability, class, is when you are flexible to adapt new things or to adapt new things and to know things to do. So when we talk naman initiative and self-direction, so initiative, you have initiative thinking to do a certain task without the instruction from the other. So you have a self-direction to do on yourself. So now, I have here a jumbled word. All you have to do is arrange this one into the correct letters. So the first one is we have here the, who can answer? Yes, Miss Michelle. Okay, very good. It is a social and cross-cultural skills. And the second one is we have here, yes, Miss Irene. Okay, very good. Productivity and accountability. So, our topic for today, class, is all about social and cross-cultural skills and also the productivity and accountability. So, but before that, what is social and cross-cultural skills, by the way? So, social and cross-cultural skills, class, is it involves understanding and interacting effectively with people from diverse backgrounds. So, it is our being good or talking to and working with different people from different backgrounds and cultures. So, for example, this side is Filipino citizen and the other one is mga American, then Russian or Italian. So, the question is, how they can communicate to each other if they have different backgrounds and culture and also the languages. Okay, anyone? Ay, wala. Okay, Miss Mikey. Okay, very good, thank you. So they can communicate, class, by the help of the social and cross-cultural skills. So how? So far, listening to others' ideas and effectively respect their values and culture. So how about those people have that personal abilities or mga tao nga na ay mga kapansanan. So, unsa man, disabilities ng mga tao, for example, PPO na ay difficulty of hearing. So, how they can communicate to each other or how they can socialize or interact. Saan man po? Okay, very good. By the sign language. So, they can communicate or they can socialize to each other from the help of social language. Mas magkasinabtanay pod sila. So, bisag sa imong best friend, di ba? Magtanaw pa lang mo sa inyong kontra mata ang gamiton is you understand. You already understand. Unsay di ingon sa imong best friend. Pag anak pa lang kita sa imong kontra, wala na. Hibaw na, di ba? So, mao po na siya makasosyal ta. Mas makasabot ta or magkasinabtanay ta. So, how about productivity and accountability? So, unsa man pud ini sila? So, ang productivity means getting things done efficiently. So, mas done kuno efficiently. For example, naghatag og project inyong teacher. So, for example, key for your project is create a family tree. So, the deadline will be on March 2020. So, ikaw as a productive man ka nga student or person. So, bisan pa ang layo pa ang deadline is you already do the project. So, paghatag pa lang sa teacher is naggama na ka. So, wala siya gitawag og productive. Naasa yung mindset nga, bisan paglayo is sugdan na. So productive man ka is ang imong outcomes or imong project is nindot pagka gama because naakay time nga gigiya sa imong paggama. And how about accountability? Unsa man pud ni siya? Okay, ang accountability pud class is means taking responsibility for your action and your outcomes or the outcomes sa imong gibuhat. So for example is mo po siya gitawag og owning up to your mistake and making sure you do what you say you will. So owning up to your mistake, for example, you made a big mistake sa imong gitrabahuan. Kaya nasayod ka og ingkod and then gikasab-an ka sa imong amo or boss. So, since you are accountability or you are accountable person or employee man class is you adapt ang kasaba or imong gidawat ang outcome. So, imong gidawat imong sayo because you know on yourself that imong hapod tong sa. So, making sure you do what you say you will put is example is your promises. Ni promise ka anang matawag nga mauni mauna. So, accountable man ka or you are accountability naman na ama na sa imong mind is means imo to siya gibuhat. Kay ni promise man ka or ni making sure you do what you say you will because you know what is your responsibility and unsay outcome sa imong action or sa imong gipang istorya. So now, let's all know kung unsa man pud lang there's skills and sub-skills. So, let's start with the social and cross-cultural skills. So, the first skills is interact effectively with others. So, interact means to communicate openly to other people or to others. So, yung sub-skills is, again, please anyone who can read. Okay, Miss Danoy. Okay, thank you. Know when it is appropriate to listen and when to speak. So, the question is, when it is appropriate to listen and to speak, man the class. Okay, anyone? Okay, yes, Jovan. Okay, very good. Thank you, Jovan. So, appropriate is when it's appropriate to listen is when someone is discussing in front of you like this. Kung nag-discuss si teacher, dapat maminaw mo. Or kung naay makig-istorya ni mo or naakay ka istorya is you should listen. So, dapat diwa kay gamon nga bisa kung sa dira or necessary nga mga butang nga wilabot sa inyong gika-istorya. So, when it is appropriate to speak man po di ay. So, okay. When sa inyong giingon ni Juban nga kung naay, your opinion or suggestion are needed. So, adto ra po ka mo enter up sa conversation kung ang imong suggestion or opinion is kini ka, suman, needed siya or kinihanglanon. So, mauna siya to, suman, interact effectively sa laing tao or to other people. So, the second is to conduct oneself in respectable and professional manner. For example, ikaw, gikuha ka og speaker sa kanang graduation. So, since you are respectable and professional manner man is you arrive on time. So, ni imo pong maintain your proper posture. So, ni kuan po ka og kana ang sinina nga sakto. Dili to mga gisi-gisi. Because when you are a respectable and professional manner man class is you know on yourself kung unsa tong sakto ug dili. So, you are already know how to avoid those dili insakto or the bad things and the good things. So, mo to siya example. So, the second skills of social and cross-cultural skills is we have the work effectively in diverse teams. So, work is effectively. Man, pagtrabaho sa effectively sa imuhang kauban or sa laing tao. So, ihang sub-skills is we have here. Okay, please read Miss Eileen. Okay, thank you. The first is respect cultural differences and work effectively with people from a range of social and cultural background. So when we say respect, is pagrespeto, di ba? Respect other people, cultures, o background. So for example, class, you are a new employee sa trabaho. And then, nakikistorya ka sa imuhang katrabaho, yet without knowing nga, ni anak ka nga, di ko ganahan evangelical. Or something na akay di mo niya, dili maayo niya. Na, waka kay buwan sa imong kaistorya is evangelical ba siya or naigo siya sa imong giit kaistorya. Do you think na akay work nga, nindot or saman? Easy nga trabaho? Wala, because wala ka ni respect sa iyang cultural differences or sa imuhang katrabaho. So, always put in your mind nga, kung makiistorya ka sa tao is always respect them to, you can work effectively. Work effectively ka. So, with people from range of social and their cultural background. So, the second niya makuha ni soft skills, respond open-mindedly to different ideas and values. So, for example, you as a leader, so dapat you are open-minded. You are open-minded to adopt or to listen sa mga kuan sa imuhang kauban. So dapat you are open-minded to mudawat sa ilahang mga ideas or values. So for example, open-minded si Eduardo o si Gilogo na istorya. So si Eduardo ni ana siya, dali ra man tugapon ang project. Is easy to do. Sunod, si Dria Gilogo kay open-minded man siya. Open-minded siya. So, wa siya ni judge ni Eduardo nga gisayunan ra jud siya pag-ayo. So bali niya na si Eduardo nga sayon ra man kayo ginsudan man sila. So si Dria Gilogo man is open-minded man siya pagkatao. So, naminaw siya si just listening to Gilogo Eduardo's man ipang istorya. So kay open-minded man siya is naminaw na siya without judging Eduardo. Kay open-minded man siya class means kay bao na siya nga na-adjure mga estudyante nga mas dali maka-adapt og mga lesson og napoy uban nga dili. So si Miss Eduardo is nabinom siya sa mga student nga easily cope up lessons. Ang uban is dili sad. So, open-minded siya pagkatao. So, importante po na siya if you are, to communicate to others. So, the third is we have leverage social and cultural differences to create new ideas, increase innovation. So, leverage. For example, ang leverage is, equal na to sa word. When you say leverage is, you are investing a money. Ni-invest ka o kwarta without the kasiguraduhan if that product is mo success ba or mo fail. So, you are taking your rest. So, kung sa leverage food class, social is pakipaghalubilo bisag wala ka kaila. So, ni-take mo ka og rest to, makon kag ideas or mas makaila or mas naa kayo mahibawan to create new ideas and increase your both innovation or maka-increase po na siya sa inyong own innovation. So, we have here the productivity and accountability. So, kung sa mga din, di ba, nag-state naman to? Productivity and accountability. So, please read. Okay, the first one is we have manage projects. So, ang sub-skills sa manage project is set and meet goals even in the face of obstacles and competing pressure. So, as a college student, so di ba maka-face man taaning obstacles and competing pressures, especially sa family, sa surroundings, sa neighbor. Ang neighbor mo ay kuan. Competing pressures. So, nag-set ka o make goals. So, for example, nagama ba ka sa imong cellphone, di ba? May note. So, note naman siya dira. Magod ka kanina time, mauni akong magama. Kanina time, I already done the concept. I already done cover page. So, nag-set ka og make goals to create or to manage your project. So, mo na siya yung sub-skills. So, the also is, we have here the prioritize, plan, and manage work to achieve the intended result. So, always put in your mind to prioritize and plan and manage work para ma-achieve ang intended result. For example, gisayo nimo gamay imong project. So, ang intended result is nakapasa ka. You pass the project sa wala pa ang deadline. So, for example also, nag-study ka. So, you know on yourself kung unsa ang result or the outcome. So, means nakapasa ka or either naka-perfect ba ka sa exam. Prioritize, plan, and manage work man. You are prioritizing the things that is important to you. So, we have here the second one is to the produce results. So, please read together. Demonstrate additional attributes associated with producing high quality products, including the abilities to. So, muna siya yung mga abilities sa produce results. Okay, the first one is we have Jovan. Please read. Okay, thank you. Work positively and ethically. So, always work positively. So, always put on your mind, class, na kung magtrabaho ka is dapat you are positively one, dili kay negative. So, kung positive ka is mo ana jud kas imong mind nga nindot ang outcome ani, nindot ang saman feedback ni sir ani, nindot ang kuan ni boss ani, because you are positive man to produce the results sa imong gama. So, the second is we have the Mr. Recipe, please read. Okay, manage time and project effectively. Do you know how to manage your time, class? Or do you know to use your time, or do you know to time management, or you can, di ba, manage time? Do you know how even use your time? Di ba, ang iban mo ninyo sige ang cellphone. So, dapat mo ka mo gamit o time management. So, you can kuan, katong notes, pwede ka magkuan na tong time or magkuan baka madiba na alarm po ng cellphone, mugawas man na siya. Kani nga time is maghagama na kuani, kani nga time is manakuani. So, always put a time management para makagama ka o projects effectively. So, the third is we have the dismiss emphasis, the multitask. As a student, kamo ako mamukuan og multitasking inside dili. Okay, very good. So, kamo tanan di ba? Ang multitask class as a student di ba sa imong mata. Magdumag ka, sunod na imo tong gibiyaan di ba rice cooker. So, maligo sad ka, multitask. Nagtuon ka while naminaw ka og music or naminaw ka sa discussion nga imong gi-record. Also, ang multitask sad na siya class. So, daghan ang ways sa multitask. Nag-copy ka while tanaw sa cellphone mo nga kato imong gi-picture sa imong gi-copy. So, the fourth is, please read Miss Pangilinan. Okay, thank you. Participate actively as well as be reliable and punctual. So, always participate actively. So, for example, kanaang ikaw ang leader. So, luya jud ka kaayo. So, do you think dili magluya ang imong members? Okay, magluya because you are not participating actively. Unya, dili pa jud ka reliable or di ka a trusted leader. So, di pa jud ka punctual. So, unsa na lang ka high outcome sa imong gamon? So, wala. Pero kung usa ka participate, you are a leader that can participate actively as well as you are a reliable and punctual. Unsa kay intended result ana class? Okay, very good, Mikey. It's nindot ang outcomes kay actively pa ang leader, so ma-active pud ang members, reliable pa ang leader, so as well as the teams, ang also pud punctual pa ang leader, so mas nisayo pa jud ang teams. So mauna siya mga produce result niya. So in how did that? So we have the 5 is to present oneself professionally and with proper etiquette. So, also the proper etiquette class. Okay, wow, very good. So, thank you, Miss Lasco. Okay, proper etiquette means good behavior or good personality. So, di ba, gusto present oneself professionally. So, katong example ganihan, kuha ka as a speaker. So, since you are professional man or you have a proper etiquette man, so, you arrive on time, Jude. So, dili ikaw ang gihuwat. So, instead, ikaw pa ang markuna, ikaw pa dyan gihuwat. No, it's not good. So, professionally man is you arrive on time and you maintain your proper postures and also you dress appropriately sa program, dili tong gisi-gisi. So, the sixth is we have the collaborate and cooperate effectively with teams. So, do you think mas mapadali or too easy ang paggama sa projects kung you collaborate and cooperate effectively sa imong kauban? Okay? Kinsa makaingon niya? Kuan. Okay, thank you, Ms. Sefra. Miriam? Yes, mas mapasayon. Why? Because nakipag-collaborate ka sa imong teams. Nakipag-cooperate pa jud ka. Dili na lang ka magpaingon mo ni gaman, no. Ni tabang ka, dili kay mo dawat limpyo. Collaborate and cooperate effectively with teams. So, magtinabangay. So, as a leader, you are dividing the task to do sa imong teams para mas mapadali or para jud tanan is naka-contribute anang butanga. So, and how about respect and appreciate team diversity? As a leader or even to dili ka leader ha, you will always put in your mind the word respect of always appreciate things nga gibuhat sa imong kauban even to small or big things pa na siya class. Kaya naman, kay bisag ikaw no, you know yourself kung i-appreciate ka mas nindot ka ay sa pamati. Diba? And then be accountable for result. So, kay Bojo kas accountable sa result. For example, sa trabaho si kag absent. So, you know on yourself unsay accountable result. Either, saman, pahawa ka sa or ma-fire ka ana nga trabaho. Pero kay sige mo kag-attend, sige mo kag-sud sa trabaho. So, ang accountable for result ana class, you know na either ma-promote ka or ma-regular ka or mas mo-increase ba ka ang imuha sweldo. So, mo ni siya yung mga kuan sa productivity and accountability sa produced results. So are we clear kung unsa ni sila si social cross-cultural skills and productivity and accountability? So nasabtan, understandable naman kay class, no? Okay, very good. Since nasabtan naman, so I want you to get your illustration board, diba? Nagpadamang ko. Okay, so this is the group 1, then the group 2, diba? So all you have to do is the first group to raise their illustration and also got the correct answer will have the score or point. So ako is I will be presenting you the pictures class. All you have to do is identify if this picture is belong to social and cross-cultural skills and also the productivity and accountability. So we have the first one. Are you ready? Okay, very good. So the first one is we have here. Okay, group 1. So hindi siya na belong. In social and cross-cultural skills. Why? Because the student is socialized and communicate to teacher. So why? Nakasabot siya sa discussion. So the second is we have here okay, group 2. Very good. Sama ni siya. Productivity and accountability. Why man sad? Because as you can see in the picture class na siya critical thinking. Na-apod siya collaboration and cooperation. Nagtinabangay sila. Diba naman sila ibibira din Okay. So the third one is we have here. Okay, group 2. Very good. Social and cross-cultural skills. Why? Diba? As you can see is na ay globe or earth. And then ang babaw is na yung mga tao. So diba ang social and cross-cultural skills is understanding and interacting effectively with people from diverse backgrounds. So, diverse backgrounds, diba? As you can see in the picture is lahi-lahi sila nga tao. So, the fourth is we have the okay, group 2 again, mga laisyo. Group 2 again, sabi siya, productivity and accountability. Why? Again, ano po siya? A critical thinking. So, naabad siya yung soap case ba? Kung sige ka trabaho, di ba, ang result ka saman, makakuan ka kwarta, mag-promote ba ka, or saman, ma-regular ba ka. So, okay, are we done? Okay, the group 2 is the winner. Okay. And now, I want you to get a 1/4 sheet of paper and answer this question. So, please distribute this one. Okay. Please read the questions properly or the direction. So, nana siya for your this one is Choose the best answer. So, ang sa test 2 po class is give at least 5 produced result. Diba, daghan man to siya dire, produced result. So, at least 5 lang. Okay, since you are done naman, pass your papers. I'll be the one to check your answers. So again, di ba? Nasabta naman, are we clear naman na nito ha? Okay. For your assignment, I want you to study the social and cross-cultural skills and also the productivity and accountability because we will having a long quiz tomorrow. So, pag-study ha, na kani, social and cross-cultural skills and the productivity and accountability. So, now is, I want to Miss Mary Ann Sefra to pick a number. Pick a number, okay. 2. So, Miss Lasco. So, my question is, Miss Lasco. So, why is social and cross-cultural skills and productivity and accountability is important? So, nga naman ang social and cross-cultural skills and productivity is important, man, Miss Lasco. Okay, very good. Thank you. Can you please pick a number again? Okay, Miss Teresa. So, why, again, I will repeat the question. Why is social and cross-cultural skills and productivity is important in our life? Okay, thank you. Wow, nakasabot Judy I. Okay, so nga naman Judy I class. Okay, again, ang social is, they are important. Why? Ang social and cross-cultural skills is, it helps us to interact or socialize to other people, even sa mga lahi-lahi pa ang lahang language or they have different backgrounds of culture. So, by the help of social and cross-cultural skills. And how about the productivity and accountability? Again, as what I said earlier nga, ang productivity is you are productive person or a productive student nga mupasa sa certain project nga gihatag sa teacher nga wala pay deadline, so ma-adapt na nimo sa trabahoan, mas mapadali ang imong promotion or ma-regular ba ka. Nya ang accountability man is mahimo ka usman honest person, dili kay but-buton why, diba? Mistake sa accountability is means taking responsibility for your action and outcomes. Diba, mistake po dito nga kuan, you are making sure you do what you say you will imong promise because you know on yourself nga unsay outcome sa imong istorya or unsa ang intended result ana siya. So, importante jud silang tanan. So, are we clear kung unsa ang social and productivity? Understand, class? Okay, thank you. So, I want to stand now for our closing prayer. P. Jovan, again, please lead the closing prayer. Okay, goodbye class and thank you for today. I hope you have learned what is social and cross-cultural skills and also what the productivity and accountability. Again, don't forget to study, because we will having a long quiz.